Recent leaks have revealed a lot about the upcoming Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro. Like it will come powered by the recently announced Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, a set of 50 megapixel cameras, 120-watt fast charging and much more. I will tell you everything we know about these smartphones, so without waiting anymore, let's get started. The design has been revamped for Xiaomi 13 series with flat sides and different camera module. The pair evidently relies on the same chipset Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which contains 3 clusters and 8 CPU cores. The benchmark also reveals 12 GB of RAM, which is shown as 10.9 GB. It should not be surprising if the pair achieves comparable Geekbench 5 scores given that they share the same SoC and RAM. Xiaomi 13 is tipped to arrive with a 6.2-inch AMOLED display with a 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The Pro will definitely be bigger, around 6.7 inches with 2K resolution and 120Hz as well. For optics, the Xiaomi 13 features a triple rear camera unit arranged on the upper left corner on the back panel in a square-shaped module along with the LED flash, although we don't have the information on the sensors. Anyways, the Pro variant is tipped to feature 3 cameras on the back. It may offer a 50 megapixel Sony IMX989 primary sensor paired with a 50 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens and a second 50 megapixel telephoto lens. At the front, it may have a 32 megapixel camera for selfies. The Pro is said to be backed by a 4800 mAh battery and may offer 120-watt fast charging. And as you can see, most of the stuff that I mentioned was about the Pro variant, so it is clear we don't know much about the vanilla model. But worry not, we will know more as it is expected to debut as early as 1st of December in China. With that said, thank you for watching the whole video and catch you in the next one.